Hello everybody, just a quick heads up, just sharing something genuinely simple. Discover has a referral offer of $100 credit into your account when you sign up through the link in the description, and I get $100 as well. Just to be clear, I have to say this is a referral link. There's no catch, there's no fees, there's no hidden fees or anything. It's just the way simply Discover does referrals. If you were thinking of getting a credit card, so this is the way to hit two birds with one stone, and you get $100 credit and you also support me. If it's not for you, no worries at all. The link is in the description of this video. And thank you for your support. Till next video, goodbye.